On your phone, open the App Store or Google Play and search for Fortnite. Download and open the Fortnite app to get started. When Fortnite opens, tap the Sign In or Login button on the main screen. On the Sign In screen, choose Sign Up or Create Account at the bottom instead of logging in. If you see options like Sign Up with Email, PlayStation, Xbox, or others, choose Sign Up with Email for the clearest setup. A new account form appears. We'll fill this out step by step so everything is clear. Rotate your phone if needed so you can see the full form clearly in landscape while you follow along. First, tap the name field and type your first and last name, exactly as you want it on your account. Next, tap the email field. Enter an email you can access, then double-check there are no typos. Now choose a strong password. Mix letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything easy to guess. Select your date of birth by tapping the field and scrolling to your correct day, month, and year. Scroll down, read the terms, then check the box to accept. Finally, tap the big Create Account button. You're done! You should see a confirmation screen. Now you're ready to log in and jump into Fortnite on your mobile.